Damn, that's health.
Yeah.
Texas.
You know what they say about Texas?
Dude said yeah, dude said I live in Oregon.
Everything's bigger in Texas.
Heck yeah, dude, just come undo my zipper.
Ew. That's gay. I'll pass.
I've seen enough Tic Tacs for one lifetime.
Oh, dude, come on. It's actually like Bubba Gubba.
Who's Taco Bell guts?
Hubba Bubba?
You're a sick fuck.
Oh, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Really?
No, I'm joking. Is he on my team? No,
Do Baja Blast?
Oh, he is. Let's go. You said what?
You don't want your Mountain Dew Baja Blast?
Oh no, I worked there, so I worked in the past.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, boys.
I don't want to
War-
die.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Yeah, I do.
Control. Shoot to kill. We're not here to negotiate.
Controlling. We're defending.
Losing A.
We're already losing. Just kidding, we're winning.
They're taking multiple zones. Defend them.
Boys think they're scared.
We're losing
Oh,
Alpha.
They're hallway.
What the heck? Right below windows.
Yes. Seek out the next.
All over our zones.
Oh, behind you. Oh my god.
Wow.
Wait, get that kid out B.
Let them get away.
Yeah,
We're defending Bravo.
on him.
We're defending
Oh,
A.
hey.
I'm dying.
Oh, we gotta get there. Got two off.
Losing Bravo.
Backside of A. Backside, he's coming flank, 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 flank. Got him. Watch out, they're at B. They're running the tree side at
Not
B,
much
tree
time
side at
left.
B.
Put this to bed.
Palm trees out. They're running wide. They're running wide.
Got one.
We're losing multiple zones.
No way,
Fight
bro.
back.
PP does not shoot like that, dude.
We're losing multiple zones.
Overpowered now,
Oh my god,
dude.
there's one in our fucking lobby.
Lobby? We're in the hotel?
We lost A.
Alright, fuck it.
What?
It's okay, we just
Need
gotta kill him
this.
16 times. We're down 2 lives. We're up 2 lives. Up 3 lives, nice. Nice.
We're contesting B. The enemy is low on lives.
They're trying to flank and take this house, so we just gotta protect this house.
Yeah.
Yep, there's 3 already flanking.
I'm gonna be late.
Oh,
This guy up top, that's
We're contesting Bravo.
He's so mad. He said this motherfucker up top. Oh my god, that kid out in the palm trees is weak as shit.
We're running low on lives.
No, they're in our house, They took our lobby. They took it, or
Losing
balcony.
Bravo.
Fuck.
Jumped out.
Oh, he jumped out? What a goofy goober.
I got him.
You're a goofy goober.
Oh.
I'm a
We're
goofy
defending
goober,
Bravo.
yeah.
Oh shit, you scared me. My bad.
What?
No, I tried to fucking
Alright,
stab him.
boy.
He's in our house again.